If you ever wondered how to remove the inner liner of a sliding door or lift gate on a vehicle, here I'm showing a Ford Explorer. This video's for you. Okay, so here I'm showing a lift gate in this one, but a sliding door is similar. And what you do is you have to unlatch it from the top. There are several connectors up there. They're just pushed in, snapped in, and you start at the top and then work about halfway down both sides of the liner. You may need something like a flat screwdriver or a flat crowbar, a small one, to get under it to get started. Anyway, once all that's off, just take the whole thing from side to side and just pull upwards, because it locks into place with hooks. These are plastic hooks, as you can see from the images, okay, and they're all on the bottom and they all snap into place, so it might take a little bumping to get it loose. It's that simple, and the whole thing comes off, as you can see. In these images I'm just showing you the door ajar switch that are located on all the locking mechanisms. You might want to check them and oil them in case they're rusty. Here I've taken one out so you can see how small it is. Once you remove the liner, you'll have access to get in and unscrew them. It just takes a half a turn to get them off. Thank you for watching. Visit us at larryandjane.com. Also, check out my latest book, Presidential Treason of Three Stooges, and the other one is NAVC, Waste, Fraud, and Abuse. Both of those books are available from Amazon. Thanks again for watching.